here at 41408 Doctors Crossing Road in Leonardtown. This beautiful home is ready to go, immediate delivery, priced at $399,900 with $15,000 in closing. We have this nice front porch, looking out to the street. We enter into the foyer. We have nice hardwood throughout the first floor. You have the chair rail, box molding, and crown molding in the foyer. Coat closet here. We come down interior to the garage area. As we come down the hallway, we have the powder room, the half bath. And we come into the laundry room on the first floor. It is available. And then we're off into this giant 2-car garage with the garage door opener. You can see we paint and finish the garage walls. And then we're off. The garage laundry area would be the kitchen. And this nice pocket door here, which kind of gives you some separation from the kitchen in those areas. We come into the kitchen area. Granite countertops, white cabinets, stainless steel appliances. Refrigerator has ice and water in the door. Got the pantry over to the right. Very open floor plan on the first floor. Gas fireplace and pre-wired for TV above. Nice open family room. Huge driveway. It's a rear load garage, loads off the alleyway. Come back down into the foyer. And we'll go upstairs. Come up to the second floor. We have upgraded carpet and padding throughout the house. Bedroom 4 with a nice walk-in closet. These back bedrooms offer a ton of space. Double door closet. Pre-wires for ceiling fans in all the bedrooms. Cable ready. The bathroom has a double vanity. Nice upgraded finishes here with the tile flooring. And then this is nice, it's a separate area from the commode and the shower. So if someone's out here brushing their teeth, someone else could be using this area. In one of the other secondary bedrooms. Very good size. Lots of space. Ceiling fan pre-wire. Cable ready. And then you have the double door closet. Plenty big. And then we have the owner's suite. Double doors in. Deep tray ceiling. A lot of natural light. And we have hallway down to the bathroom. We have a huge walk-in closet here. And then on the other side, we have another walk-in closet. Or not a walk-in, but the overflow closet. More space there. And then we come into the owner's bath. Corner soaking tub. And we have a nice standing shower. It's a 5x3. And we have a shower niche there, and kind of demonstrated by the bottle of caulk there. You have plenty of room for shampoo bottles, but nice upgraded tile. And on the floors, separate vanities, which is always nice. No excuses to keep it clean. Linen closet. And separate area for the toilet here. Then we go down into the basement. Finished rec room. Got windows in the staircase here, which gives you a lot of natural light. We have storage closet here at the base of the stairs, and then this is back into the rec room area. We have the double wide areaway, the sliding glass door, full bath in the basement, and then we have storage over here. It's utilities. We have a 50-gallon electric water heater with mixing valve. This is your fire suppression system, shutoff area, air handler. And then we have the low voltage box, which is where your data ports will connect to. Cable jacks, phone jacks, Cat 5. It's all piped to this one location throughout the house. Nice storage. So we're going to finish up on the first floor. Just kind of recap. This house here at Clark's Rest is priced at $399,900 with $15,000 in closing. Very rarely do we get to a price point under $400,000 for a single family home. Great value. Not too far from the community swimming pool and amenities.